How to mute a group on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to mute a group on WhatsApp. So first of all, just simply open the WhatsApp account, and from there just simply log into your account using your credentials. And after that, in order to mute a group on the WhatsApp account, all you have to do is just simply select the group that you would want to mute. So simply long press on this particular group right here, and after that, on the top of the screen you will be able to see bunch of different options like pin, mute, archive and other options. So in order to mute it, just simply click on this bell icon which is crossed over here like this, and now you can select from the option whether you want to mute this particular group for 8 hours, a week or always. So you can select accordingly and click on OK, and now your group has been muted. You will be able to see this sign. You will be able to see this particular sign right beside this group right here. So this is basically how you will be able to mute a group on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.